Hello friends from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. My name is Julia and today I'm moving again to a new apartment. But before I want to show you what kind of apartment you can rent for just $975 per month in winter. Who is interested? Please keep watching. So let's go. So once we enter, we are in the kitchen area. So we have here like everything. We have all kind of electronics, the big fridge already with my magnets from everywhere, even dishwasher over here, and my hookah of course. And after kitchen, we are in the living area. So here is the big sofa, one more my Christmas tree. TV actually, I guess I used it like a couple times, not more. And of course, I still have my beloved Christmas tree and it looks so amazing, so I still can't take it away, but I have to. And my favorite thing, the bed. With the amazing view. So the best thing is just wake up on this bed and to enjoy the ocean. Nice. Really, it's something from my dream, just to wake up and to hear the ocean. Here. And my favorite place in the apartment is the balcony with the best ever view. Yes, I'm ready to start my vlogs every day from this place. So we have here 2 chairs and we used to have table here, but I took it into the apartment. The weather is so-so. It's the usual thing for the weekends. Some sunbeds and sun chairs, and over there is the pool, but the one that you see, it's not our pool. Our pool is right behind the building. And the most amazing view ever. And even on weekdays I used to come here on my lunch break to have lunch and to enjoy the ocean. The most gorgeous place. And also another my favorite place. So this is the dinner section, and sometimes I work here. Here you can see 2 windows, and here is a very good light. I love lights so much. And here we have 2 windows, so you can sit right in the middle and to enjoy the view from both of them. And let me show you the bathroom. So this is full, quite simple. Hi. Bathroom. So here we have the full-size bath. And the most important things, American shower. And actually I don't understand why here everywhere paper on the walls because of the humidity. I need to use glue to fix it. So here are the halls with the carpet. Very nice, I like it. And I'm on the 4th floor. And we have kind of common space every 3 floors. And it reminds me cruise ship so much. And we do have here 3 elevators. That is very good. Very fast and quiet elevators. And this is the kind of the living area with a very beautiful fountain. And here you can just sit, talk with your friends, enjoy, relax. Very beautiful fountain. kind of game zone. I like this stuff so much. Write in comments who also likes pinball. So here's the gym. It's absolutely free if you live here. And here we have treadmill and the most popular things. And also here's the entrance in the pool. But now it's closed because it's not season yet. Hey. So the gym is free if you live here. And we are going to see the pool area and jacuzzi. And today's nobody here because the weather is not really good. This pool is heated, very warm water, so probably we'll swim a little bit today. My beloved jacuzzis. So for sure we'll go here a little bit later. And sometimes I come here during my lunch break when I'm working and sitting behind this table and having my lunch and enjoying this amazing view. So here's the second pool, a little bit bigger. I would say the water is about 28-30 Celsius because actually it's warm outside, but you can see like warm kind of humidity. Hello, hi, hi. And it looks like it will start raining soon. And this is how we can go to the beach. And here's the shower, so you can have shower after you swim in the ocean. The way from the apartment to the ocean takes about 2 minutes downstairs. And so here is the apartment. I'm so in love with it. And my apartment somewhere over here. And this building is one of the tallest in Myrtle Beach. Maybe the tallest one, I'm not sure. And that's why I love Myrtle Beach. The water yesterday was not so cold, so let's try today. It's like 16-17 degrees. Not bad for February. I think it's impossible to get used to the ocean. It's the most peaceful place ever, I guess, on earth. And to say the truth, I love this building like the most in the city because it doesn't look actually like the hotel. It looks like just the house. But it has everything that good hotels do, so it's amazing. And now it's time for jacuzzi. Yay! The way from the apartment to the ocean takes about 2 minutes downstairs. And so here is the apartment. I'm so in love with it. And my apartment somewhere over here. And this building is one of the tallest in Myrtle Beach. Maybe the tallest one, I'm not sure. And that's why I love Myrtle Beach. The water yesterday was not so cold, so let's try today. It's like 16-17 degrees. Not bad for February. And now it's time for jacuzzi. Yay! So jacuzzi was just amazing. And let's go to check the pool.